Hello everybody, just wanted to show you what we're doing today. We're doing a little after hour installation. This is at Van Nuys Airport. We're gonna add our very beautiful gate to protect this gate that is completely falling apart. This is wood boards that is basically rotting from the inside. So that's coming down, and instead of that, we'll have our beautiful aluminum wood-like gate to replace this. We're gonna reuse the existing operator and some of the existing components here, but at the end of the day, we're gonna have a brand new, beautiful brand new gate standing.
We're in the city of Van Nuys. On this project, we installed a 24-foot sliding gate with wood insert panels, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how it operates. There the gate goes in the open position. And there you have it, guys. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.